Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing, review, and first time setup of the Trappify Moth Traps, which are in this package right here. This is a set of pantry moth traps that you can currently get on Amazon for a pack of 4 for about $10. I recently reached out to this company because I had an issue with pantry moths in my cabinets in the kitchen, and so I thought these traps would be something that would be good to try. And so what I'll do in this video is just take these out of the packaging, set them up, and then I'll follow up with a delayed video over about a month or so to see how effective these are. As always, if you're interested in potentially purchasing these, I'll leave links in the description. Okay, so this is the Trappify Ultimate Moth Traps. You can currently get these on Amazon for a pack of 4 like this for $10.79, which comes out to $2.70 per trap. They also have additional number counts as far as purchase, where you can get 8 traps for $17.99, which is $2.25 a trap. 12 traps for $25.19, which is $2.10 a trap, or 24 traps for $44.99, which is $1.87 a trap. So as you purchase more, it'll be cheaper as far as price. But what the company sent me was this 4 count. As far as the packaging, it says it's 4 traps, shows a general picture of what the traps look like. States that it's either for cloth moths, like the ones that you get on cloth in your cabinet or closet space, or pantry moths or Indian meal moths. So it offers all the options as far as that. On the back here it has general instructions. So it says open the box, remove the amount of traps you will use, open the trap film by peeling at the notched area to expose and remove the trap, unfold the trap so it's flat exposing the protective paper, peel off the protective paper to expose the glue and do not touch the glue section. While holding the edges of the trap, fold the trap into a triangle and push the notched end together to the tab opening below the hook. Hang or place the trap close to the moth infestation and replace when full or after 90 days. That's really it as far as the instructions there. Not great as far as being description, but hopefully once we get these traps open we'll get a sense of how they work. But as far as the packaging, each one comes individually wrapped, so you have 4 separate traps here. It says Trappify on each of them, and we'll open up at least one of these to start. And hopefully it peels open. Might be a little bit, oh, there's a rip tab on one end here. But it's not the easiest to get open, which is, there you go. Okay, so there you go. Alright, so basically this is what the trap looks like. So there's a hang tab at the front, has Ultimate Moth Traps, says Trappify here, and then on the back here it basically has more emblem or so. So in the inside here, we'll just kind of assume this is how you do it, but basically you'll peel off the protective coating and the sticky residue, and then basically each of these sides are sticky, so the top here, the bottom here, and then here. And then what you'll do is basically get this tab, like this hook tab, to slide directly into this top tab here and make sure that it's secure, so that it basically is a triangle shape like this. And these are going to be pheromone and sticky trapped traps, so that when the moth comes in here it'll stick to this and ultimately die and control the infestation. So what you want to do is put this in your pantry or your kitchen space where you have them, and then just basically leave them out, and hopefully it works where it minimizes the productivity of the eggs and the overall cycle of the moths. So that's it for the actual traps. What I'm going to do is I'll set up all 4 of these, put these in my kitchen space, and then I'll follow up with a separate video over time to see how effective these are and whether they do trap the moths and whether I run into any issues ongoing as far as the infestation. But this is what they look like, and that's really all I have for this video. If you have questions, comments, post them below, but hopefully this has been helpful for you at home.